Morning guys, welcome back to Every Day with me, Nick. And we're back at the sawmill and we're going to do some siding today. I'm excited. Nah, it didn't quite work, did it? Anyway, just ripped a board there. Well, got a board ready for it up. Tools I'm using, I'll go through in a second. Really simple. I know I'm out of shot all the time, but I am here. Hello. So, what are we using? I'll come round there and show you after I measure this up. We're using a tape measure. So yeah, we're using a tape measure. Can you see me in the shadows? Using a tape measure. We've got the Hitachi, Hikoki, whatever you want to call them now, because they've changed brands I think a few times. First fix nail gun, 5 amp hour battery, no gas required with this machine. With this nail gun, it's absolutely fantastic. It is quite heavy. It's heavier than the PAS load. Hold on, sorry, I've got you on a shake there. It is heavier than the PAS load CO2 gas guns. Quite a bit heavy actually. But I don't have access to the gas. I have access to nails, but I don't have access to gas. So I would have to buy the gas separately. But this works perfectly. I've got my tool belt on, but it's just a tool belt. I've got a couple of framing square, speed squares. I've got the 7-inch and I've got a 12-inch here. And basically what I'm doing, because of the pitch, I'm just putting a 3 or 4 degree cut on one side of these boards, so they match nicely up there. If anything, I think it's a bit more of a, but it's a shed, it doesn't matter. Well, it does, it depends on how picky you are, how perfectionist you are, but for me it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I've got about 3 or 4 left on this side to do here, and then easy peasy bits there because it'll be straight thereafter. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So what else am I using? Oh, I'm not endorsed by any of these, but yeah, I'm using the DeWalt FlexVolt 54 volt circular saw. This model is the DCS 575, and it's a good bit of kit. It has a 190mm blade on it, so it can go through a good bit of depth. So, and it's got a good bit of power behind it as well. I tell you what, they'll be just a little bit behind the worm drive saws, these. Also using a Stanley SB4 hand plane. It's a bit rough around the edges because it's pretty much exposed around in the elements all the time. But well, it's under the shed, so you know how it goes. It should be oiled up, but so the boards that have come off the mill just have a little bit of a feathered, raggy edge. So I just put the plane up it, easy peasy. Just puts a nice little chamfer on them edges, just so it doesn't leave a shitty bad edge. You know how it is. And that's about it really. Radio's playing in the background. I hope it doesn't interrupt in my copyright issues. You know what YouTube's like. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get these last boards up. Well, I'll pan you around and show you what I do. If the cable plays ball. So I'm working just here. I think we'll see that. I think definitely see that. So get a board. Problem with these boards are they've they had a lot of shake through the log, and you can see that now. So what I do is try and work it. I've left all my tools over here. I'm going to move a little bit. Oh, I didn't thingy the edge off. So yeah, you get the idea. Pretty simple. Just going to do this all the way around. So I think a nice simple time lapse for this. Be nice and easy. And not only that, but it's a nice sunny day actually. But I'm just looking at some of the grading on this bit. It's not fantastic. So what I might have to do is dig some area where the boards are going to come to, because I don't think I'm going to leave it where it's at. I just don't know. We'll figure that one out as we get up that end. So right guys, let's oh by the way, I'm doing a board and batten style, if I haven't already said. I've got the battens around there. I'll show them to you later on in the video, you know, when I get to it. But I've just got them cut at 2-inch wide, 50mm by 18mm, 3/4 inch sort of thing, and they're just going to go down the joint of where the boards meet. So if there is any shrinkage, which there will be, they'll be completely fine. So now I've probably done it wrong, you know, and I'm probably going to have a bit of repercussion off this. I've been putting 2 nails left and right side of the board. I should have put 1 nail in the middle, I think. So but I don't want them to cup. So, but these do dry out fairly quickly, like, you know, and cupping, if they haven't cupped already, they you know, they won't cup as, man, I don't know. Anyway, enough of me babbling. Let's get on with this and frame it up. Really quick, really simple, really crude. You'll see you'll see what I mean. Right guys. Wow, what a hot day. I feel like I've baked today. I'm really cooked. Right, I'm done for today. I really am. I've run out of some gear as well to finish it off. So what have I done so far? Let's start with that. Well, you can see what I've done really, haven't you? I've done that side, that one, that panel, that back. I've got a panel up there to finish off, I know, but I've done that. I've done this, started doing some battens, but I'll give up today. You can see them there. I've done that, so that's the 3 sides around here. And then I've ran out of boards here. I need 2 or 3 boards there, but I've battened them to show folk what I mean, what I'm on about. So a lot of people didn't know what board and batten was, so that's done. Looks pretty good. Need boards for along here because I've run out, and I've done this one. So yeah, I've done that. Behave, Roxy, chasing shadows. So yeah, I've done that one. Again, all needs battening, so I've run out of battens as well. Oh no, I've got 3 left I think, so I was like, oh Christ, I need more of them. So I'll have to count how many boards and whatnot I use. But yeah, that's it. I have got a Roxy, move. Got a pile of materials here. That's going to be to make a bench, a picnic table bench. So that's tomorrow's job. First though, I need to go and pick up a belt sander because mine blew up while it burnt itself out. So yeah, I'm done for today. I've put some fascia above the just below the rafters as well, what you would call maybe a soffit, maybe I think, yeah. So when the and then I need to order. Well, once I've got the tin sheet, I'll have to get some guttering, and I'm going to run it all the way that way and down into an IBC tank, into a 1,000 litre tank, and just catch some rainwater, just to do some plant watering and everything. So yeah, so without further ado, I'm finished with this video. Like I say, I'm baked. It's the sun's been relentless today, so yeah, we're done. Yeah, we're done. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it's been a bit of a boring time lapse, but it's just better for well, I've not really done anything different apart from boarding and cutting and that. You don't want to see that. So yeah, thanks guys, take it easy. Don't forget, if you like it, if you don't like it, let me know down in the comments. Please let me know if if there's a different way you would like to, or you would have done it. And it's all to expand my memory, my brain, sorry. And what I will ask you guys, right, this is you guys to get involved. I need to make these openings. You can see I've got 2 5.1 meter openings here. So from that post to that post there is 5.1. Now I'm going to do obviously 2 doors, but I wanted to have them rolling, so they would roll out this way and roll out that way. I know I've got some clear up to do down there, but that's what I want to do. Can you guys help me out on a system, if you can, to show what I would need, or what tag away in other people, or suggest other people's channels to show what kind of system I need for a rolling barn style door, I would call it. So yeah, if you could do that guys, I'd be really appreciative of that. Right, let's get tidied up and gone. See you guys, take it easy.